Thank you for your interest in our solution for capturing pick tickets. This video will show how pick tickets are scanned and converted to searchable PDFs. After converting to a PDF, the order number will be automatically extracted and stored in PaperStore for viewing. We provide several options for transferring pick tickets to third party for processing. One option shown in the video is to export to an Excel spreadsheet as a CSV file. The first step is to scan, put the images in there, select Twain, searchable PDFs, and then start the scan process. This time images will be scanned and stored in the system. Just putting them into there right now, so it'll take a while based on the speed of your scanner. Once the scanning is done, hit the cancel button and then close the scan module. Images are then displayed. I click process, sends them to the process for processing. At that point, it's splitting them out as separate PDFs. Once that is completed, I close this and the process runs behind the scenes. This is done in a lights out environment. The images are scanned and imported into PaperStore. I'm able to search by range, by date, so I can search show me all for today's date. Using document created date, I select the date I want, which is today's date, and I run the process. Search goes out and finds me all the images that were scanned and indexed. As you can see, we do a little bit of evaluation here. The one number didn't get read, so to order that, I can open it up, view the document. It'll display it here in a second. So I click on the number, the document's viewed, I find the order number that I want to put in there, and then I close this back. I go back to the original screen where the index fields are, and I click the edit selected record, and I enter in the information for that. It's telling me it's doing a validation with no number it couldn't validate, so I put the number in for that specific order number. Once that information is keyed into the system, I click Save. It then does a search and validates the information against the bill to and ship to. This is one way we do it on validating. I close this, and then I go to my utilities. I can export it out. This is just one way. I'm going to export the information out with the pre-set up export utility. I click the Run button. It exports the data out into, as you can see here in a second, I'll close this down. Close the information out of here, and I will open up an Excel spreadsheet, and you'll see that it's in there as a CSV file. And at that point, that's one way we get the data out to third parties. We have the information there, the PDF, the account number, ticket, all is important. Again, this is just one way of getting it out. Thank you for your time.